everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Today we are going to do another derivation question that you can get in your GCSE and IGCSE Maths. This question is asking you to start from ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, which is the general form of quadratic equation, and derive the quadratic formula. So you have to start from this, and your end result should be x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Pause the video and give it a try. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So we are going to start with the basic form, and I'm going to complete the square. Now to complete the square, I need to get rid of this a. So I'm going to divide every term of my equation by a. So these two gets cancelled out. So I'm left with x squared plus b over a xn plus c over a is equal to 0. Now I'm going to move this to the other side. So I get x squared plus b over a x is equal to negative c over a. Now to complete the square, I need to look at the coefficient of this. I need to half it, square it, and add it here. So let's do that. B over a times by a half is b over 2a. Then I need to square it. B over 2a, everything squared. So this is what I'm adding here. B over 2a squared. However, I have to do the same thing to the other side because this is an equation. And you get that. Now, all of this is just a complete square. X add b over 2a, everything squared, is equal to minus c over a plus b squared is the numerator. Denominator is 2a squared, which is 2 times 2, 4. A times a squared. Now I need to simplify the right-hand side further. I have 4a squared as the denominator here. I need to get the same thing. That's actually quite easy. All I need to do is multiply this side by 4a. X add b over 2a, everything squared, is equal to 4a squared is my common denominator, minus 4ac plus b squared. Now I'm going to square root both sides. So the left-hand side becomes x add b over 2a. The right-hand side is plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. I switched minus 4ac and b squared because I want to get the positive number at the front. Now I have x add b over 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by, now I can root 4a squared to give me 2a. Now I can move this to the other side. So I get x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the same denominator, I can combine it. So I have 2a as the common denominator, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, which is the quadratic formula as my final answer.